Business moves fast. It's hard to keep up when your phone system slows you down. Setting up your business phone system can be confusing with too many options and steps. In this video, you'll learn how to sign up for Calilio, the AI-powered business phone system. Open your browser and go to calilio.com. On the home page, click Get Started. Now fill out the sign-up form. Enter your full name, email address, phone number, and create a secure password. Then click Continue. Check your inbox for a message from Calilio. Copy the verification code and paste it into the sign-up page. Click Continue to complete verification. Choose a plan. Select a billing option, monthly or annual. Then pick the plan that fits your needs. Standard, Premium, Enterprise. If you choose Standard or Premium, you'll be taken directly to checkout. For Enterprise, a Calilio team member will assist with custom setup. Now complete your payment. Choose your payment method, credit card or PayPal. Enter your details and click Confirm Payment. You're all set. Your account is now ready. You can get virtual numbers from 100+ countries, manage calls and voicemails, assign numbers to team members, or track call center performance, all from one place. Calilio. Connect globally. Communicate seamlessly.